Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Stuti Gogia. In case you are seeing this face for the very first time, you can go check out links in description. This is the last day of my dharamshala and I'll be going back to Delhi tomorrow. So this is the last part of the vlog, which is part 3. I don't have anything in my mind. मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा कुछ है नहीं कि मेरे को कहाँ पे जाना है आज. But that's one thing for sure. I'll be going illiterate again because I love that cafe and I want to sit there, read for a while. Last time because I went late तो इतना मैं कुछ कर नहीं पाई थी. So today I'll go there, I'll eat something and then थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर. Hope you guys like the journey today and yeah, it is actually a very great experience traveling solo. And one thing I didn't mention, like from part 2, part 3, part 1, part 2, which I wanted to mention here today, that I actually did a COVID test before I came here. It was not neither required, but just being responsible, I did a COVID test and it came negative. Obviously that's why I came, so I just wanted to mention it once. And before we leave, let me show you my OTD. This is the OTD. This is what I bought from here yesterday. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा warm है and नीचे this kind of, I don't know इसे क्या बोलते हैं, harem pants. Yeah, harem pants. So and this is, everything is multi-layered because it's cold here. So yeah, I thought to go local today, just like the Pahar style. So yeah, and चलो निकलते हैं. I mean, I hope we had a good time आगे जाके. And all set now, bag, jacket extra, the mask, and yeah, let's leave. And this is the same road which you might be seeing from past 2 days. जहाँ पे कल रात को बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश हुई थी. It was like raining so heavily. So maybe रोज आज भी थोड़े slippery होंगे. आज it's showing के बारिश I don't think इतनी है, but 30% chances still are there. Tomorrow it's sunny, so I hope वो better है because I'll be going back, तो उस time things will be better. तो चलो let's go and पहुँचते हैं. So I came to Illiterate again. I had my breakfast. मैंने यहाँ पे pancakes खाए and that was super yummy. I had a good time sitting there for a while and then I thought to move ahead. मुझे मेरे एक friend ने बताया था कि if I go थोड़ा सा आगे यहाँ से, so I will be able to see the धर्मशाला stadium जो कि ऊपर से ही visible है. So थोड़ा सा जिसके लिए I have to move ahead. So यहाँ से मैंने चलना शुरू करा to that point where the stadium would be visible. I started walking. काफ़ी आगे चलते चलते लुक फॉर द पॉइंट. अभी तक तो मुझे कुछ दिखा नहीं. आगे मोस्टली जंगल टाइप ही है. सो आई एम गोइंग बैक. नहीं भी मिला तो कोई बात नहीं, विल सी कि क्या करना है. ट्रैकिंग तो हो ही गई. Thought to take a rest for a minute and appreciate this beauty. Can you see the snow-covered clouds? So grateful to see this view. Amazing. तो धुंध की वजह से नहीं दिख रहा मेरे को तो, लेकिन दिखाई सा नहीं दे रहा. उस साइड से देखो क्या पता दिख जाए. कहाँ कहाँ पे दिख रहा है?
वो देखिए.
अच्छा वो जो लाइट है वो है.
हाँ जी, वो क्लियर दिख रहा है. लाइट के ऊपर देखो.
लाइट के ऊपर देखूं?
वो नीचे नहीं लाइट.
हाँ हाँ वो येलो लाइट.
उसके ऊपर देखो. दिख रहा है ना क्लियर?
हाँ 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 हाँ, बट धुंध है ना?
हाँ, धुंध पे नहीं दिखता ना।
धुंध है इसलिए नहीं दिख रहा. ओके, ठीक है. One of the best part of this trip was this parantha. Oh my god, this was super yum. One of my friends suggested me this one, and I think I had never had such amazing parantha ever in my life before this one. This was super yum. तो द स्पेस दैट यू आर सीइंग राइट नाउ इन वीडियो इज़ द अदर स्पेस. ये इलिटरेटी का co-working space है. सो हेयर यू कैन कम, log in, have your coffee, tea, basic pastries and everything is available here. This also has conference room, so you can go do your meetings. There's silent area as well, and the art and other stuff is also available in case somebody wants to buy or show or portrait. So this was really amazing. I had a carrot cake there, and that was also super yum. I think that day was basically a food day for me. I actually had my best food in that day, be it from Illiterati or from other space or that parantha wale bhaiya, all that was yum. So guys, I'm finally heading back. It was more of a food day. I actually had so many different kinds of foods today. So अब चलते हैं वापस towards the hotel. Let's go back. So guys, जहाँ से ये vlog शुरू हुआ था वहीं पे I'm ending it today. It's my third day and last day, and I'm ending this vlog right here. And on that note, also ending the Dharamshala series. Solo traveling is actually amazing. You get to introspect yourself, you express your feelings, or whatever you are feeling, you can write it down, and that's a great way you can explore yourself. So more of a soul searching thing. So it was a very good experience for me, and on that note I would want to end this vlog right here. Stay happy, stay blessed, and most importantly stay grateful. I'm truly very grateful that I am able to experience something like this. The last 2-3 days were amazing of this journey, and I would want to do more of these in upcoming future. So let's see how that goes. So on that note, thank you if you are still watching here. I'll see you another one, and also you'll be getting few pictures just after end of it. Bye bye.